Welcome to our clinic, a place where wellness, dentistry, and medicine come together to provide you with the complete care. With over 26 years of experience, American Biodental Center was a pioneer in biological dentistry here in Mexico, starting just with a few offices and evolving into a comprehensive clinic. Our dental director was trained by Dr. Hal Higgins, reinforcing our commitment to the health and the safety of every patient. We follow the SMART protocol for safe amalgam removal. We offer zirconia implants and cosmetic dentistry that transforms smiles with biocompatibility and aesthetics. Best of all, we have our own laboratory, ensuring speed, quality, and confidence in every treatment.
Our approach to regenerative medicine is based on cutting-edge technology. Patients from around the world choose us for the quality of our stem cell treatments. We treat conditions such as chronic pain, neurological disorders, autoimmune disease, and age-related concerns. Thanks to our in-house laboratory, we maintain the highest standards of safety and effectiveness. We also offer other treatments such as PRP, IV treatments, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, ozone therapy, and LED light therapy sessions. That's why we offer transportation from San Diego to Tijuana, making your visit safer and more convenient.
Our chiropractic mission here in Tijuana, Mexico, is to use objective analysis to identify the physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. Now, we utilize static and stress digital x-rays, 3 different types of nerve scans, full torso thermography, live blood cell analysis, and we do post scans and tests after a series of adjustments. So we're identifying those stress responses and then showing that we've corrected the response. We are located in the Grand Hotel at Tijuana, Mexico. So if you're looking for customized, tailored care based on your findings, this is the place. You want to restore your health, regenerate your health, or just get vitality back? Give us a call. I'll see you there.